You guys ready for adventure? Here we are at the Home Depot.
No, home.
Do you remember what we're building?
Yeah.
What is it?
Butterfly house.
A butterfly house, that's right.
And Sophia would especially like that.
Sophia will especially like the butterfly house. Guys, outside build today. I hear the hammers and I see the kids. Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Yeah. Going. Yeah, don't hold the hammer so tight. There you go. Can't hammer a screw.
Yeah, now it's the time. Also, they just put it here.
You need that one for this.
You won't be able to
screw?
see in there ever.
I got it. Plan B doesn't work. Ooh, I think I'm done.
Okay, hit him a few more times.
Looks good, Nick. doing okay with that screw?
Let me try. I'm done.
Round and round.
Okay, go ahead and start it. Wait.
And it says, rotate the roof to open and clean your butterfly house. Place the right banana. Banana peel your other right foot. Side to attract butterflies. Red spots keep birds out. The butterflies have to come in. They use the house for shelter at night. Guys, use boxes that butterflies night. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
It's a butterfly house.
Yeah? And it opens. Yep.
And if you put right food in it, that would attract butterflies. And then you go like this, trap them, boom. Have a very own butterfly.
Was that a good build?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And bing.
Should we paint them at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab them up.
And the king of the world.
What color do you think you'll paint yours, Sophia?
Blue, pink, purple, green, and blue and pink, and purple and green. Blue, pink, purple, green, blue, pink, purple, green, blue, pink, purple, green. All those colors.
All of those colors.
And blue, pink, purple, green.
Nick is goofy.
That's it. I want blue, pink, purple, green, and blue, pink, purple, green, and blue, pink, purple, green.
Perfect.
That's what I want. And I'm mixing.
Winka.
So what design are you making next?
A grass block from Minecraft.
And what design are you making, Sophia? Smiley face?
Smelly. Oh. Smelly. Aww. I do like that. And look.
I like those swirls.
Instead of the smiley face that was dripping with water, that's why I changed it into swirl.
The swirls look pretty cool.
Wee. I've done good, right?
Mm-hmm.